In this video, you'll learn how to delete your eBay search history. This process will help you maintain your privacy and keep your search bar organized by removing unwanted search terms. Start by signing into your eBay account and navigate into the home page. Once you are on the home page, click inside the search bar. This area usually displays your recent searches, providing a convenient list of previous queries. Reviewing this list allows you to decide which searches you want to remove, as this feature is connected to your account activity. Next, within the search suggestions area, look for the option that allows you to clear recent searches. Depending on your version of eBay, you may see a clear all button or a delete icon next to the search history. Selecting this option will prompt eBay to remove the stored search terms from your account. It is vital to ensure you want to remove this information before confirming, as clearing your search history does not affect your purchase history. After selecting the clear option, eBay will process your request and remove the saved search history. To confirm that the deletion was successful, refresh the page or click the search bar again. This action will show you that the list is now empty, indicating that the previous search terms are no longer stored. Clearing your search history can make the search bar easier to navigate. Once the search history is cleared, you can continue searching for items as usual. Keep in mind that new searches may begin to appear again as you browse, but the previous keywords will no longer clutter your search suggestions. This ensures a more streamlined experience when looking for products on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.